Hey everybody, just wanted to do a quick review on the DynaTrap XL bug catcher. We got it last summer because we wanted something that looked nice in the yard but still did a good job at catching all the bugs and helping to keep the mosquitoes off of us. And something that wasn't harsh to look at like some of the other bug catchers that I've used in the past have the harsh blue light that makes it hard to see. This one's nice and subtle but still does a good job at attracting the bugs into it. It's really easy to use, and then it has this nice kind of ring up top so you can hang it in the yard from a shepherd's hook or wherever you might have that you want to hang it from. To use it, it's really easy. It has an on-off button under here. You just push that button, and then what it does, it turns on the light, and then it turns on a fan down there that is designed to, attract the bugs and then draw them down all the way through and push them down into this basket. So you'll see, I just open it up here. It has this plastic piece here, so as the fan's on, it kind of just makes a little gap there and pushes bugs down into this basket where they get caught. And you can see already it's pulled in a ton of things, so it's really doing its job helping keep all the things off of us, all the bugs off us, mosquitoes, and it's really truly has made a big difference. You can just put this back on here. You see it's nice and easy, just turns and slides on. But yeah, it's made a big difference and I'm really happy with it. I'll probably buy another one for the other side of the yard. If you're looking for something that looks nice and will help keep those mosquitoes away from you, I strongly recommend you get this one.